Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Tony here, bringing you an important announcement about my YouTube channel. I will be starting a second YouTube channel that's already up called Tony Myers, and you can see the icon for the channel. That channel is going to be a separate channel that's for all my random countdowns and when I talk about race and all those other things, because before I had all that stuff in one channel and it got kind of confusing because people would subscribe to me for different reasons. So this Man of Christ 101 channel is going to stay a channel about religion and the things of God and about the Bible, but my random stuff and my countdowns and my tutorials and all those kinds of things are going to be showing up on that channel. So if you subscribe to me for those reasons, then that's the channel for you. I hope you learn something from the religious stuff that I have on this channel, but that's my second channel. Also, I have a free blog called Myers Spanish Class on Blogspot, and I'll put the link in the description for that. It has over 7 hours of free tutorials for Spanish for those of you who want to brush up on your Spanish, whether you're in school or whether you're actually in college and you're having to write a paper or something, or whether you just want to learn Spanish for the heck of it. Anyway, those are my announcements. Check out the channel. It's just called Tony Myers. The link for that will also be in the description. Have a great day, everyone.